Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing and taste test review of Cosmic Fog Premium Vapes collection, Krewberry. Now this is a 70 VG, 30 PG ratio for the VG PG. 3 milligrams of nicotine in a 30 ml bottle, so 30 milliliter glass bottle. Made in America. It's not made in no foreign Chinese company or anywhere else. This product is actually made here in America, which is great. I like that. That's a good thing. Because usually we see like all these mods and tanks that they're made in China, and they're made like some other places. And nah, but to have a juice that actually says, "Hey, made in America." I had one that was made in like France or Italy. I keep forgetting which one it actually was. It says it on the bottle, and it's supposed to be like this berry mixed flavor. It was awful. It was disgusting. Well, it wasn't a bad taste. It just didn't have any taste at all to it. And then there's other ones that's like, yeah. So yeah. Now, this Cosmic Fog, let me move this over just a bit. It's made by this Halls company. I know it's a little weird, but these two products are made by the same company. Cosmic Fog is made by Halls. Now you think they would say Halls on the Cosmic Fog box, but it doesn't. But they're made by the same company, which is Halls, which is like the main company here. Some things that they did different that I like. On the Cosmic Fog, they actually tell you the VG-PG ratio on the box. On the Halls one, no, you have to buy the box, open up the box, pull out the little paper insert, and then boom, right there is your VG-PG ratio, which is on the Halls ones, they're always going to go 60 VG, 40 PG. On your Cosmic Fog, they're always going to go 70 VG and 30 PG. So the VG PG is kind of mixed around a little bit, but I like how before you buy the product, you already know what your VG PG ratio is going to be. This, no, I don't like it where you have to buy the product, open it up, let on a stupid piece of paper to find out your VG PG ratio. Also, the Halls one, they come in 4 milligrams. That's what they start at. Well, I guess maybe that's what they are, but yeah. Well, usually every other company out there always has 3 milligrams for nicotine. For like their starting point, which is like 0, which is 0. 3 is their starting point, and then 6 is usually like the standard high. But yeah. So let's take a look at this. What's the flavor of Krewberry? Oh, I love this too. They also have CosmicFogVapes.com. Link down below in the description. But also, if you go to their Halls website, you see that this has this in their craft collection, and then Cosmic Fog's in their premium collection. So it's on the same website, same company makes this. So yeah, don't know why they gave a different website address here, but yeah. So let's clean this up a bit.